Hey guys, I'm going to read you a Chinese story very slowly, and if you say it wrong, don't worry, I will laugh at you anyway.
我的一日三餐，我的 my 一日a day 三餐 three meals 早上我起床了，早上in the morning 起床了，got up 起床后我去吃早餐，去 go to 吃 eat breakfast 早餐，我吃一个鸡蛋 eggs 我吃面包 bread 我喝一杯牛奶 I drink a glass of milk 我 I 喝 drink 一杯 a glass of and then 牛奶 milk okay next 然后我偷吃了姐姐准备的沙拉，偷吃 eat something without telling 沙拉 salad 早餐很简单但是很好，早餐很简单但是很好，简单 simple 很好 very good 中午我觉得有点饿，我觉得 I feel 饿 hungry 饿，我去吃午餐 lunch 我吃饭 rice 我吃肉和菜吃 eat 肉 meat 菜 vegetables 我吃肉和菜，我喝汤 soup 午餐很好吃，我吃得很饱 full 晚上我回家了，晚上 at night 我 I 回家 go home 我觉得有点累，我觉得 I feel a little 有点 a little 累 tired 我觉得有点累 I feel a little tired 我吃晚餐 dinner 我吃面 noodles 我喝水 I drink water 水 water 晚餐也是很简单，也是 also 吃完晚餐，我去睡觉。吃完 finish eating， 晚餐 dinner。我去 I go to 睡觉 sleeping。这就是我平时一天的三餐。这就是 this is 平时 usually。三餐 stand for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 三餐 3 meals.
哇哦！
早餐、午餐、晚餐。沙拉。简单。累。喝。
Subscribe to my channel.